Hi, I'm Calum from Patlite, and today I wanted to take you through 4 advantages of using the Patlite LR series. So the first advantage is the brightness. So visibility is really good with the modules because it's built with a Fresnel lens inside, which you can see, hopefully. This makes it superior brightness compared to our competition. The second point is audibility. So with the audible module, you can see there is no holes, which means no compromises with dust or water. This enables us to go up to IP69K on certain models of the LR6. Point number 3 is the simplicity. It has a really simple design, as you can see, from 40mm up to 70mm. The nice design with the shape, which is really simple, and we can easily take the product apart and put it back together again. So you can see the simple design, and pull it apart and put it back together again quite quickly. And the fourth point is durability. So it's a really durable product with up to IP69K, as I said before, and with many different options for connectivity, cabled versions, M12 versions, USB, and many more.